We have 4 killer examples for you of ways to use mobile applications for your corporate training.
And that's why we also want to give you a free masterclass, so when you create amazing training, you know how to do it successfully. So go down to the description, click on the link below. We'll see you at that free masterclass, and thanks for being here at eLearning Partners.
So the first way you want to use mobile apps in your corporate training is
training on demand in the field. There are many companies out there that have technicians on the field. If you are a cable company, if you are an internet company, if you are a HVAC company, an irrigation company, a construction company, people that are on the field, think of it as these people need to carry around tablets and or mobile phones. This is a great use case for them. Not only can they have access to it on demand, but if you utilize certain learning management systems like Talent LMS, which we love, which definitely go check out our link below, you can actually pre-download those courses through the app. So if you are in a place in the field that you don't have an internet connection, you can still have access to the content on the phone.
These are really the individuals that are going to get the most out of mobile learning training. Because if you're in the field, you don't have a computer with you. You have your mobile device.
And not everybody has iPad. iPads are expensive, especially if you need to buy hundreds of them. So everybody, though, has a smartphone.
So the next thing that you can really do with this mobile training or mobile apps for corporate training is user-generated content. So users or learners teaching other learners.
Yes, and this is where things get really exciting. This is where engagement gets really fun, because now your learners, your employees, are creating content for other employees in the company to showcase a way that they may be doing something to help their fellow colleagues, which is really, really cool. It's peer-to-peer, which is fantastic. So this is another great way to use mobile apps to encourage not just your employees to create trainings, but to have your other employees take trainings of their colleagues.
Yeah, think about it as like a closed loop of YouTube shorts. So I'm in the field and I'm doing something that I know my friend Jill over here doesn't know how to do. So what do? I record it, I upload it to the mobile app to my learning management system, and then it pings Jill, and boom, I have trained Jill. We didn't have to go through a central database of learning. We didn't have to go and hit up a supervisor. I shared what I know with her directly, uploading it to this database. Now, if anyone else ever has the same question, it's been created. We didn't need to hire out a subject matter expert or someone to actually create this training. We shared training with one another.
The third thing is gamification and leaderboards.
We all like a good fantasy football league where we can, maybe we don't all like that, but there's the example is all about being able to track how you're doing in your training against how other people are doing. So the cool thing about having a mobile device is people are much more likely to open up their phone, open up that mobile device, open up that training program, open up that LMS on their phone to look to see how they're doing than going on the computer and looking. You can literally access your leaderboards using your phone, using a LMS like Talent Cards that is mobile based, and see how you're doing with your training versus how other people are doing, and you can get rewarded for that. But it's much easier to do this mobily than on your computer. It's much more fun. Learners love this. They love to be able to see, oh, this is what Renee is doing. Oh, that's cool. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do a couple more modules today because I want to jump to the top.
And last but not least is time management feedback.
Time management. So this is pretty cool because basically what you can do is there are technologies out there that can tell you as a employee or as a contractor, as a team member, hey, you're spending so much time on this, and this.
Yep.
On your mobile device, you should actually be spending time on this, and this, or you should decrease this so you have more time for this. So that's what we're talking about is there's mobile apps that you can integrate at your company that can help your learners or your employees be more productive by letting them know.
So we have that free masterclass for you. It is linked below in the description. Go check it out. Thanks for the likes and the subscribes, and we'll see you in the masterclass.